What happens when cybercriminals get access to artificial intelligence? We're no longer dealing with slow manual attacks now. AI can scan thousands of systems in seconds, automate entire attack chains, and disguise malicious behavior so well it blends into normal activity. How do you protect yourself in a world where cyber threats are evolving this fast? Hi everyone, we are OneConnect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow that empowers individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits go towards running free IT classes and befriending events in the community. In this video, we'll walk you through how AI is changing cyber attacks, and most importantly, how can you protect yourself. AI allows attackers to automate what used to take hours or days. For example, instead of one hacker manually testing passwords, AI can try millions instantly. It can also adapt in real time, switching tactics if it senses it's being blocked. That's why these attacks are so dangerous. They are fast, precise, and relentless. AI-driven attacks aren't just faster, they are smarter. They can explore weaknesses quickly. Attackers can find vulnerabilities before you even had a chance to patch them. That means if your system isn't updated, you are an easy target. Automated malware campaigns. AI can launch malware across thousands of devices at once, spreading faster than traditional attackers ever could. Evading detection. Instead of looking suspicious, AI can mimic normal user behavior, making it much harder for traditional security tools to spot. Here are some tips and tricks how to stay safe. First, keep your software updated. Outdated software is the easiest way in. On Windows, you can just open Settings, go to Update and Security, and click Check for updates. On the Mac, head to System Preferences and select Software Update. A quick check can save you from a big headache. Use AI-powered antivirus. Traditional antivirus tools only looked for known threats, but modern tools use AI to spot unusual behavior, like a program suddenly encrypting all your files. That means they can catch brand new malware before it spreads. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Even strong passwords can be stolen. Two-factor authentication adds a second lock. For example, on Gmail, go to your Google account, open Security, and turn on two-step verification. Once it's set up, even if someone knows your password, they can't get it without your phone or backup code. Discover more expert tips and in-depth tutorials on our website. Need help boosting your digital skills and online business? Get in touch with our team for personalized support. Check our website in the description below. AI is making cyber attacks faster and more convincing, but that doesn't mean you're powerless. A few smart habits can drastically reduce your risk, so here's some final tips for you to stay safe. Be skeptical of anything unexpected. AI makes phishing emails, texts, and even voice messages look incredibly real. If a message pressures you, asks you for money, or wants you to verify something urgently, pause and double-check before clicking. Review your digital footprint. The more information about you online, the easier it is for AI to personalize scams. Take a moment to tighten your social media privacy settings and remove old posts that reveal personal details. Backup your important files. Even the best defenses can fail. Keeping regular backups, either on an external drive or a secure cloud service means ransomware can't hold your data hostage. Use unique passwords for every account. AI can crack reused passwords in seconds. A trusted password manager can generate and store strong, unique passwords for you, making your accounts much harder to break into. These small steps don't just protect you, they make you a much harder target in a world where cyber threats are evolving at high speed. We hope this video helps you feel more confident defending against modern cyber threats. If you'd like to learn more, join our free IT classes and community events. We would love to meet you. Check our website in the description below and get in touch with our team for personalized support. Our free and paid online courses include learn in-demand skills like social media marketing, coding basics, and more. Our digital products are full of educational and informative ebooks, website templates, design elements, books, and more. Check below for more information. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might find it helpful.